have a mad white Jamaican.
What up? Hello. Shake my hand, I guess. How you doing, buddy? Stop your coughing.
Welcome today to Culture Kids Mad White Jamaican. You too, clap.
That word. Yeah, I know. These parents, right? What? I'm not a father figure. Don't be looking at me like I'm a father figure.
Mad White Jamaican, it's been a while since you put up a video.
It's been a while. A lot's been happening. A lot's been going on. It's been a genius. It's really hard to come through on the camera all the time. It takes time to come up with skits and plan people and get people together. Plus I've been doing all kind of charity work recently. I donated my kidney to a young boy. He's as you can tell, there's a lot of sick people in the world. Jacques, come here, Jacques. I want to introduce you to everybody. This is.
Me sitting, you want me to walk?
Come on, man, sit down. I never donate my kidney for nothing. Come earn the money. Paid cash for this kid right here. Find out, say I need a kidney. Right? If you ever meet this dude called Akeem, don't buy nothing from him. Him is a bad bargain, man. So I'm gonna give him. So I was, as a matter of fact, I was kind enough to donate my kidney to the poor kid. But unfortunately, the man need another kidney. I don't even know why. What the doctor said, why you need another kidney for? What? My kidney not good enough for you? Why don't be nice and give me more money? Here.
That stuff is fake. What am I
No
going
man,
to do with this?
Tell him, no man.
What brass for falls for this?
Just tell him good stuff about me, man. Don't tell him nothing bad stuff, but come on, man. Tell him all nice stuff.
Man, give me fake money and saying nice. What is that?
You see these people, them ungrateful nowadays. I never want to go sit down over there and stop bothering me. Go on.
I wear like this.
Santa Claus going to forget him this year. Santa Claus going to forget you. You ain't going to get no toy train or nothing. Go ahead.
What have you been up to?
Recently, I mean, it's really hard to be up to things because, I'm a very conceited man. And when you're as good looking as I am, every time you pass a mirror, you just have to look at it. Apart from that, but that means you have more mirrors to look at, and when the mirror does break, you have different shards to check yourself out and all kind of thing. You know what I'm talking about, right?
No.
You're a little jealous. I bet you have all the girls and stuff. This has got to be a joke. Are you a real interviewer?
Yes.
What do you mean, yes? Continue with the question. My time is very expensive. I have to go look in another mirror.
Excuse me, is this inappropriate?
I just farted. That was inappropriate. You heard that? Go ahead.
So, where are you from?
Next question. Irrelevant. They're badgering the witness. You can't be asking stupid questions like this. I'm from Jamaica.
What? You're not Jamaican. You don't have dreadlocks.
I thought I cleared this. Have you been watching my videos on the internet by any chance?
No, I don't go on the internet.
No, your mother doesn't let you go on the internet? She shouldn't. But I'm really Jamaican. What?
You're not Jamaican.
Yeah, I am.
You're not.
Yes, I am. Yes, I am.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
Lie!
Bullet!
Lie!
Bullet! So, you know what's funny? When Santa Claus misses his birthday and Christmas and everything, you're gonna be saying, all I want for Christmas is my 2 front teeth. Here's $1.
This is fake money.
No, it's not.
Not fake money.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is.
No, it's not.
You wanna see a real dollar? This ain't a real dollar. It's green. Real dollar is supposed to be green. Shaka, let's jump this school.
No, I'm going here. You give me a $1, let's check you what the rap is for.
on quick. Somebody go call the owner people quick. I jump and mustard in now, now hear me quick. Somebody go call the owner people quick. I open mustard in ya.
Tune in next time when my friend hosts me dump the body.
Me bad. Ring the alarm. Now sound boy attend your own funeral. This is also a burial. Original Butcher Banton on the bass. What you sound? Wanna hear me?